Hi, it's Cami back with the October Search Blitz this time, and we are going to look at how we can search in the Chrome Omnibox to save us lots and lots of clicks. So first thing we're going to do is go to a new tab, and at the top of your screen, that place where you see the address or the website address, that is called the Chrome Omnibox. And so we can do some really neat things in there. So for example, let's start with a really fun one. If we just go flip a coin, and hit enter, we get this coin flipper. So I can flip heads, flip again. Another one that's really handy is, again, I'm going to go right up to the top. I don't even need to go to google.com or bing.com, just right into that Omnibox. And this time I'm going to type roll a dice. So here I have a whole bunch of dice. I can add dice so we could practice our addition. Another thing that we can do is have a really fun and easy timer. So all I have to do is type timer 10 and it gives me a Google timer. And now notice right away it starts counting down. There's also a stopwatch there if I want a stopwatch. Another one is, let's say I'm looking to travel. So right up in the Omnibox again, let's say I wanted to see how far it was from Calgary to Toronto. And right away, I get all sorts of data. It's smart enough to know that I probably don't want to drive from Calgary to Ontario. So it's given me flights, first of all. And then it's also given me a driving route. Will show me that it's 32 hours to drive from Calgary to Toronto. But let's say I wanted to go somewhere a little closer. Let's say Calgary to Medicine Hat. Now it shows me the driving distance first. We can also do math in the Omnibox. Let's take two big numbers that I can't multiply in my brain. So let's go 456 times 789, hit return, and automatically it gives me the total and it gives me a calculator that I can use. I could change the times to divide and it would do that as well. Now, let's say I was going on a trip and I wanted to know how much it was going to be for money in the United States. So if I type in 115 CAD, right there, it tells me that 115 Canadian dollars is the equivalent in American dollars. A couple other really quick conversions. Let's say in Canada, we often tell our weight in pounds. So let's say I wanted to know what 150 pounds was. And I just type in 150 pounds, and right away there, I have a converter. I can convert all sorts of things. You can see length, angles, speed, temperature. So if I type in 23 degrees Celsius, it's 73 Fahrenheit. And let's do one last quick one. If I just want to type in weather, and I'll type in Medicine Hat, right away I get a weather forecast. I don't have to choose a site. I can tell the temperature, the precipitation, and it gives me a nice forecast. So those are some great ways that we can use the Omnibox. There are others, but we're just going to start with those. So this month, for your search contribution to enter, you are going to pick any of those two Omnibox searches. Maybe you do flip a coin and the dice, or maybe you do flip a coin and weather. You choose the two that you want. You're going to send those two images in for your search blitz into the form, and you can also collect them if you're going to play along with our whole challenge into this My PRPS Search Challenge document, and you can put your screenshots in there. So until next time, have fun searching.